Good day students, welcome for maths class. In last class, we learned to apply to find area of polygons, surface areas and lateral surface areas of three-dimensional figures like cube, cuboid and cylinder. In today's class, we are going to learn about volume of three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid and cylinder, and also volume and capacity. In this chapter, you will be able to learn volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder and differentiate between volume and capacity. Students, let us continue with next subtopic of today's lesson. Before that, let us understand what is volume. Amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. Volume of a room is greater than the volume of almirah kept inside it. Volume of your pencil box is greater than volume of the pen and the eraser kept inside it. So let us find some expressions to find volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Let us learn how to find volume of cuboid. Observe the figure carefully. If you see the base of cuboid, it is rectangular in shape. Therefore, area of rectangular base is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Note here students, breadth and width is same. Now, if you stack such rectangles to height h, then you will have to multiply area of base with height. Therefore, we get length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And since it is measured up to certain height, it occupies some space. Thus, we can say that space occupied by cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Thus, volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let us solve one problem. Find the volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height is 8 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm respectively. So given length is 8 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 2 cm. Therefore, volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Substitute the given values for length, breadth and height, that is 8 cm multiplied by 3 cm multiplied by 2 cm, and you get volume of cuboid as 48 cm cube. Now, if you observe this figure, the base area of cuboid is given as 24 meters square and its height is given as 3 cm. Find its volume. Now, if you see students, both the dimensions are given in different units. One is meter square and second one is centimeter. Therefore, I express height which is 3 cm in terms of meter. Therefore, height is equal to 0.03 meters. Therefore, volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to, now length multiplied by breadth, that is area of base is already given, that is 24 meters square, and height is given as 0.03 meters. So, after multiplying both the values, you get volume of cuboid as 0.72 meter cube. Let us now learn how to find volume of cube. Cube is a special case of cuboid where length is equal to breadth is equal to height. All three are same. Hence, volume of cube is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length, that is equal to length the whole cube. Let us solve one problem based on this formula. Find the volume of cube which side 4 centimeter. Volume of cube is equal to L cube, where L is given as 4 centimeter. Substitute the value of L. So you get 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, and your final answer is 64 centimeter cube. Thus, the volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Let's do one more problem. Find the length of the side of cube if its volume is 27 centimeter cube. In this problem, the volume is given and we are supposed to find the length of each side. Now, volume of cube is equal to L cube. Substitute the given value for volume, which is 27 centimeter cube, is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. And we all know that cube root of 27 is 3, or we can express 27 as 3 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter. Therefore, we get L, that is length of cube, is equal to 3 centimeter. Hence, the length of each side of cube is equal to 3 centimeter. Let us now see how to find volume of cylinder. Just like cuboid, cylinder has got a top and a base which are congruent and parallel to each other. Its lateral surface is also perpendicular to the base just like cuboid. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height. Area of base is pi r square since it is a circular face with radius r, and height given here is h. So, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Let us see one problem. Find the volume of the following figures. We have first figure where radius is given as 7 and height of the cylinder is given as 10 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where value of pi is 22 by 7, radius is given as 7 centimeter and height is given as 10 centimeter. So, after doing the required calculations, I get the final answer as 1540 centimeter cube. That is the volume of cylinder 1. Let's move on to second cylinder. In this figure, the base area is given as 250 meter square. So, volume of cylinder is written as area of base multiplied by height. Here, the height is given as 2 meters. So, after substituting the values of area of base and height, that is 250 meter square multiplied by 2 meter, I get the final answer for volume of cylinder as 500 meter cube. Let's move on to the last subtopic of the lesson, volume and capacity. There is no much difference between these two words, but volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object and capacity refers to the quantity that container holds. If a water tin holds 100 centimeter cube of water, then capacity of water tin is 100 centimeter cube. Capacity is also measured in terms of liters. Let's see the relation between liters and centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Therefore, 1000 milliliters will be equal to 1000 centimeter cube, that is exactly equal to 1 liter. Thus, 1 meter cube will be equal to 1000 liters, that is 10 lakh centimeter cube. Let's see one problem based on volume and capacity. A rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along its width and a cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. Find the volume of cylinder. Now, a cylinder is formed by rolling a rectangular about its width. Hence, the width of the paper becomes height and radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. Height of the cylinder H is equal to 14 centimeter and radius is equal to R is 20 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Substitute all the values of pi, r and h. What do you get? You get the answer as 17,600 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of cylinder is 17,600 centimeter cube. Thus, in today's class, we have learned that amount of region occupied by an object is called its volume. We have also learned how to find volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. And we have also learned the relation between volume and capacity. Thank you.